Hi. I've never done one of these before. I actually do a true crime channel. I'm called True Crime with Jess Rose. If that's your thing, please have a look. Subscribe if you want to. This is actually something quite new for me. And I've seen these girls with like messy buns. As you can see, I've got quite a neat one. I've got one of them. The sticks and you wrap them. Got one of them. But I love the idea of messy bun. Now, I can't do it myself. So, I went online and I found one of these. And I'm laughing because this is not like me to do at all. But it's called FeshFen. And it's a bun updo extension. Now, it's only come today. So I thought I'd share it with you and see how it looks. So it comes in a little package. You see there. Don't know if I've got the right colour. Not too sure if I've gone a bit dark, but we'll see. So open it and have a look. Maybe a bit low. See that? But we'll give it a go. I can't say anything until I've tried it. Now I think it's very simple, and I think I'm just going to wrap it over my bun here and wrap it round. Actually, what do you think? It doesn't look too bad. I'm not too sure if it's going to look... I mean, I've got kind of a highlighted one, which I've got in my hair, as you can see. So, I don't know if I'm coming close then. I know when people do that, I don't concentrate on what they're showing me. I'm looking at other things, so please just look at that. But, I don't know. What do you think? It doesn't look too bad. It wasn't too much. I think it was about... £15. And it's come very quick. It's come quick. Actually, I ordered it on Amazon. It was Amazon, and it did come quite quick. I think I ordered it Saturday night, and it's Monday, so it's come quite quick. But I mean, I don't know if it'd look better if I didn't have the bun in already and just wrapped it into my hair. But yeah, there's my FeshFen bun updo extension. What do we think? I don't know. Because I've got the bun already. I'm not sure. Do you know what? I'm going to do something, and I hope I don't regret it, because it took me ages to get my hair up this morning. But I'm going to try it without already having a bunny. So bear with me. These are the clasps I was on about. Now these are quite good, although as you can see I've had it for quite a while, so I've kind of torn it apart, but it's the double ones and they just kind of bend and come out. These are ice. These were... I need to order some more, because I did order... Yeah, I think you get 2 at a time, and now these are just wrapping on their own now. They're just not playing the game anymore, but they were actually really worth the minute. So let's... Actually, should I have left it in a pony? See, I'm not this person. I'm not this one of these makeup people, but let's give it a go. So I've got no bubbles in my hair, and I'm going to wrap it 3 times around my own hair. Let's see if I can get this messy bun thing. I don't know. I'm not sure what to make of it. I think if I go with a bit more time, don't know, there's probably hair tutorials and everything on YouTube that I should be looking at. But there we go. What do we think? Yeah, there we go. No, it's not too bad. Maybe a school run, you're in a rush. Do you know what? It's actually not too bad. I'm not gutted by my purchase, which is good to say. And yeah, FeshFen. FeshFen, I've been saying FeshFen. Sounds a bit, but Femme Fresh to say. Sorry. No, it's not Femme Fresh for your hair. It's FeshFen. FeshFen. Little wrapper. Bun up to extension. But do you know what? Not too bad. I think if I fiddled about with it a bit more, yeah, it could pass. But this is in this camera. I don't know if I'm going to get to a mirror and it is actually going to look like Mitzi's hair. As beautiful as it is on her, I'm not really wanting it on my own head. But for now, yeah, not too bad. That's my review of the FeshFen, not FreshFen, Femme Fresh. It's FeshFen. So there's my review of that. I've actually got coming. What have I ordered now? What did I order? Oh, I don't know if you're a Love Island fan, but I don't know if you noticed Maura, stunning girl, and she used to have a half up, half down. So pretty, but if like me, you've got she seemed to have quite thin hair. If like me, you've got quite heavy hair, a normal bubble's not going to do anywhere near that look at all. So I've been noticing this company called Ponyo, and it's the only bubble you're ever going to need ever again kind of thing, and it attaches and comes out. I've actually ordered that because I'd like to give that a go. So when that comes, I'll be back and you can see me destroy that product as well. But yeah, thank you very much for joining me for that, for my FeshFen. And yeah, not so sure about that. Hopefully my Ponyo might do a better job. It's what you get for getting synthetic hair. I've been warned. But you know what? It's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. Okay, so thank you for joining me and I'll see you again soon. And like I said, I have got a true crime channel, True Crime with Jess Rose. Very different to this. But please have a look and please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. More from Mitzi. Thank you again so much. Bye.